Maintaining a strong audit trail of your budgeting data is a top priority for you and your financial team. Gravity's new feature, the Audit Trail Report, will give you the ability to review all prior data entry made in your O&M templates and your HR templates. The first thing to note is you might notice in the right-hand corner of the O&M template, there is now a new button. Clicking on the new button, we see here that we have usernames and timestamps. By clicking on any of these usernames, we now see exactly what this user changed at this time. And if we want to revert this exact cell back to what we previously had, all we have to do is click Restore Selected Version, click Yes, and then our data has been restored to this previous version. There is similar functionality in the personnel templates. Every tab now has a Show History button where we can click on a prior version of this data and click on Restore Version. Click Yes, and now this prior data has been restored to Gravity. Now I'm going to show you how to access the Budgeting Audit Trail Report. To access this report, click on Data and the blue ribbon of Gravity, Budgeting Audit Trail Report, and select which report we want to access, either O&M or HR. Let's select O&M. Here in this first tab, we are going to see all historical data, but what's going to matter the most is in the Details panel, which will show you the current fiscal year and all the data that has been entered into this template. We can click on any of the upside-down triangles to sort by a specific user, date modified. We can expand and collapse groups by clicking on the chevrons. Also, to print off your data, we can click on the Export All Data to download an Excel document to our computer. This report will give you an overview of everything that your users have done in your O&M templates. There is a similar report generated automatically for your HR templates. Click once again on the blue ribbon of Gravity, Budgeting, Audit Trail Report, HR template. Here we have a very similar report, but now for HR data. Once again, we can utilize the chevrons to collapse or expand rows. We can use the upside-down triangles to filter out data. One thing to note about the HR template, however, is how each tab reports on different data. So we have here our personnel cost, allocations, benefits and premium headers, the rows in the benefits and premiums menu, the COLA table, and the steps table. All of this information is kept in a report that you can export very easily by clicking on the Export All Data button in the top right of the report. Now you have all the know-how to make use of Gravity's new Budgeting Audit Trail Report system.